Good afternoon, guys. Welcome to Signature Car Specialist. Today we're presenting this beautiful 2014 Audi A4 S-Line Black Edition, and this one right here is the Avant, and also comes with a 3-liter diesel engine. Sorry, it's a V6 diesel engine producing around 245 PS, and this one right here is now live on our website at signaturecarspecialist.co.uk. So we're gonna go around the car, show you the features, and also show you the condition of the car. And this one is finishing this beautiful phantom black. So if we start around the front here, you can see, because this one is the black edition, so around the grille you've got the gloss black, and here you got the S-line headlights. And as we come around this side here, you got these beautiful diamond cut 19-inch alloy wheels, and also these are in perfect condition. There's no marks, there's no scratches whatsoever. And you also got the Continental tires all around the car. And because this is the black edition, so you get everything blacked out, you get the window surrounding blacked out, and also you got rear privacy glass in this one. And also, just to mention this one, you got a pan roof. So pan roof is one of the best features when it comes to these modern cars. And then around the back here, you got the LED rear lights, and then at the bottom here you can see you've got dual exhaust tips, one on each side. Now let's just jump into the interior and just show you this beautiful interior. So as we come around here, so the front and the rear seats are half leather and half cloth. So as you can see, you got the comfort in the middle, so you got the leather, which is very comfortable, and also the front seats are heated as well. Now let's just come around the back here. So around the back here, you can just see you got plenty of space, plenty of headroom and leg room as well, and also you've got rear ISOFIX in this car as well. Now let's just come around the back here. So you got power operated tailgate with the huge amount of space in here. So for all your grocery shopping or anything you want to put in here, and you can always put the seats down, and you also got the boot cover as well. And once you're done, you just press that button there. You can see the car is in great condition for the year, and also it looks great. It actually looks amazing for the age and stuff. Now let's just jump into the driver's seat here. You can just see the car is clean, it's been valeted. So we've got an amazing team of valeters that polishable cars. They make sure the cars are well looked after, and also they're ready when you come in to collect the car. Now as I jump inside the car here, you can just see the car is beautiful. Around here you've got the P&O sound system. Let's just turn the car on. Then let's just come to the screen here. So you can see we've got sat nav here. We've also got front and rear parking sensors, and also we've got DAB, FM, MW, and long wave as well. And then we've also got jukebox, Bluetooth audio, and Wi-Fi connectivity. And also if we come around here, you can just see you've got services not due on this car for a long time. You can just see in over a year, so you got a long time to go. And then as we come around here, you've got the climate control here with the front heated seats with 3 levels, and then here you've got this dial to control your screen. And also if we come around here, you've got this beautiful S-line steering wheel. It's a flat bottom, it's a multifunction steering wheel, and also this side is for volume and this side is to control the screen here. And this car is now live on our website at signaturecarspecialist.co.uk. The car is great, the car looks beautiful. If you're interested, please do not hesitate to give us a call. One of my colleagues will be able to give you any information that you're interested in, and also we'll be able to support you when it comes to finance, booking a viewing, or booking a test drive. This car right here comes with 6 months RAC Platinum warranty, which is the highest level you can get from RAC, and also comes with 12 months road assistance, just to give you that peace of mind. We'll see you on the next one.